Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car of our fantastic F40 M135i presented in the Misano Blue. It is of course only one of a few to be presented with the full genuine BMW Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, this vehicle does come with some very nice optional extras and it is an extremely low mileage example of so. So starting with the exterior there, you can see that very eye-catching Misano Blue along with of course that BMW Mperformance kit. At the front we'll start with that lovely gloss black front splitter, along with the eye-catching optional extra 19-inch lightweight 557 alloy wheels. Situated behind there, you will of course see the humongous M brakes that the car does of course come with, along with premium tyres. We've kept the standard M135i grille, as we felt it does go very nicely with the air breathers that of course channel cool air to the front brakes, along with the chrome line mirror caps, as you can see there. Down the side of the car, you'll see the genuine Mperformance side vinyls and of course the sidebars as well, which again have got a very aggressive look to them, along with the sun protection glazing. And you will of course already take note of that lovely rear wing, which we'll take a close-up look at very shortly. Moving on to the interior, where we have a fantastic half cloth, half Alcantara M highlight seats in this vehicle that come with both the heated and electric lumbar adjustments, along with the superb, very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound. And we will of course go through into more of the interior details very shortly. They're that very nice new ambient lighting style for the F40 1 Series again, and as well as the F40 M135i we have here for you. In the rear, you get an exceptionally spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench. Again, we can show you how clean and tidy everything is in this car, and those very standout M highlight seats, and of course not forgetting the darkened M Sport headlining. Before we head round to the rear, again, I'm going to show you off those striking 19-inch alloy wheels. Once again, they are all in fantastic condition and are completely unmarked. At the rear, we've of course got that standout gloss back rear boot spoiler, which of course says in the centre Mperformance of course. And the current other Misano Blue M135i that is for sale in the UK only has a regular black rear diffuser. Our one here has the full forged carbon fibre one, which really does help ours stand out from the crowd. And of course, having that bit of individuality will of course make all the difference. Rear facing reversing camera, of course we'll take a look at that shortly. Extremely large boot space, bearing in mind we have of course still got a 4-wheel drive vehicle here, unlike this vehicle's predecessor that was of course just rear wheel drive. And it also comes with a false floor loading system, again to help out that bit of extra space. Heading round to the other side, again, this Misano Blue is such an eye-catching colour. Everybody that has come in has complimented how nice this car looks and how eye-catching the colour really is, and it's certainly the best colour in my opinion to have on the M135i. Heading on inside, we will of course start the car up, and towards the end of the video I will of course give you a sound demonstration, so fear not. I know a lot of you will be hanging around waiting for that. We're immediately greeted by the all-new BMW Live cockpit display, which is all interchangeable and customizable to suit something of your wants and needs. And we've also got the touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run you through a couple of the features and functions of that. Seeing as we're on the screen, the service requirements, it's been to BMW for 2 times. Of course, it's had a pre-delivery inspection service and a service there, as you can see there. However, the next oil service is not due for 9,000 miles time. And we'll run back through into the other displays. Of course, being touchscreen, using all of these items is really easy and very nice to use, including of course the satellite navigation, as you can see there. Multimedia wise, we've got a wide array including DAB, Bluetooth audio, Spotify, and of course the connected music, which again is a fairly new feature for BMW. We've also got Bluetooth telephone along with that audio system. I'll quickly show you the rear facing reversing camera. Again, a very nice system along with front and rear parking sensors. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls, along with of course the switches for those lovely heated Alcantara half cloth seats. And we'll quickly turn that down and just run you through a few more of these lovely features. Of course, it's got the all new 8-speed gearbox, which works very nicely with that superb MX drive. Cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all situated on the lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So we're going to go ahead now guys and pop the vehicle into its most sporty setting and give you a little sound demonstration of this fantastic looking car. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. So here we go. So for any further information, please do check out the description where links for our website can of course be found, along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you for watching. Do of course take care. Most of all though guys, I really do hope to see you soon. Thank you, goodbye.